It's like you're in the club, and it's really easy to use. So I have the Alpines in my Rubicon Jeep, and they sound great, but when I heard how this sounds when you add this to your Jeep, it sounds much better.
I asked him if he could throw the sub in the Jeep just to try it out. Got the factory Alpine system in my Jeep, was missing some of that, like the sub action. They threw it in 5 minutes and it was already a huge change. So that was pretty cool to see. Just plug and play and you're done. You definitely feel the music. It's pretty cool.